making an Ambrosia salad. So, without further ado, let's get started. Now, before we get started with our mise en place, which is French for everything in this place, we're going to go wash our hands for 30 seconds under warm water with soap to make sure there's no bacteria on our hands. Be right back. We're now going to begin preparing our mise en place. So in front of me we have vanilla extract, heavy whipping cream, agave syrup, shredded coconut, unsweetened shredded coconut, marshmallows, and then for our fruit today we have a banana, grapes, a few strawberries, diced mango, a green and red apple along with an orange. And then for our materials we have a liquid measuring cup, 2 mixing bowls, 1 small one and 1 medium-sized one, measuring spoons, a spatula, a whisk, a cutting board, and our chef knife. If you're wondering where you can get all these super cool materials, right behind me I have our Rainbow Chefs backpack. It contains all the materials that I, alongside other Rainbow Chefs, will be using in our videos. So if you would like to purchase one, go ahead and go down below to our website and go ahead and purchase one. To start, we're going to start by cutting our fruit. So in front of me, as you can see, we have all different colors of the rainbow. Red apples and strawberries, our orange mangoes and oranges, our yellow banana, our green apple, and our purple grapes. So we want to make sure that we're always eating all the colors of the rainbow through our fruits and vegetables. So we're going to start slicing and dicing our strawberries. Hopefully you've been on Rainbow Chefs. If not, you're now going to learn how to properly slice and dice fruit and vegetables. So our strawberry, when cutting, we want to make sure that we're always using our pinch grip, which is our pointer finger and our thumb pinching on the end of the knife. And then the rest of our fingers are going to grip around the handle. And then to hold our strawberry in place while we start cutting, we're going to use something called our bear claw. We want to make sure that all of our fingers are tucked in nice and tight so that way we avoid being cut by anything. So first we're going to cut off the stem of the strawberry using a wave-like motion and applying pressure and then slicing through. So then you can discard the stems. From there, we're going to turn our strawberry on its flat side that we just made, and we're going to cut it in slices. Slices are long strips, so we're going to use our wave and pinch grip, applying pressure, and then we're going to continue using our claw and slicing through the fruit. These are slices of strawberries. After we finish doing that, we're going to now cube it. So cubing is making it into 3 squares. So we're going to lay it down flat using our wave, claw, and pinch grip. Slice, slice, slice. Turn it, and then slice in half again. And you will get little cubes. Continue to do this for the rest of your strawberries. And if you can, try the rest of your fruit. I know apples can be especially hard because they are extra crunchy, so if you ever need help, make sure to go grab your parents. They'll be more than glad to help you. Now that we've finished cutting our fruit and we have a nice rainbow in a bowl, we're going to now start on our whipped cream. So again, I have heavy whipping cream, vanilla extract, and agave syrup to make our whipped cream. So we're going to set our fruit aside, and with our measuring cups that we have on the side, we are now going to pour half a cup of heavy whipping cream into our liquid measuring cup. So half a cup. We want to make sure that our measuring cup is on a flat surface and we're getting eye level to the cup to get an accurate measurement. We're going to stop right when we hit that line. We're going to set this aside and we're going to pour it in our bowl. And every drip out as much as we can, and then putting it in the sink for washing. Then we're going to get 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Actually, make that half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Pour it right in, rinse off our spoon, and then set our vanilla extract to the side. Lastly, we're going to use 2 tablespoons of agave syrup. Agave syrup is a very good replacement for any type of sugar that we use in baking or in drinks. If you watched our mango or berry fruit refresher that I made in another video, make sure to go check that out. If not, I used this syrup to sweeten our drink, which made it super duper delicious. So we're gonna now add it to our whipped cream. 1, 2. Perfect. Now we're gonna go give this a quick rinse. Set this aside and I'll be right back. Okay, now that we have all of our ingredients in our bowl, we're gonna now begin whipping our cream. So you're gonna grab a whisk, you're gonna tilt your bowl, and whipping is the act of whipping a lot of air or putting a lot of air into a liquid to make it thick and fluffy. So we're gonna use circular motions to whip as much air into our whipped cream as possible to make it light and fluffy. So you'll see me tilting my bowl, you'll see me making circular motions, you'll hear me, and your goal is to go as fast as you can. Now that we finished whipping our cream and it's nice and fluffy, we're going to now grab our fruit that we cubed up earlier. We're going to dump it in the bowl. We got our oranges, grapes, strawberries, apples, everything super yummy in here. Making sure we get every single piece. You can smell how sweet the fruit is, which is amazing. And now we're going to add in our shredded coconut. We're gonna sprinkle that in, perfect. And add in our marshmallows, my favorite part. So now that we have everything in our bowl, we're gonna now fold in everything so that everything gets incorporated and everything is coated in that delicious whipped cream. So going under, folding it over the top, round in a circle, getting every single piece coated in that whipped cream, incorporating all of our ingredients and getting them all mixed together. I love it. And there we have it, our Ambrosia salad. After we finished our Ambrosia salad, we're now going to begin plating. So I had these little cups that I thought would be super cute for plating, and we're gonna grab a large tablespoon or any spoon you have and scoop a good portion into the cup. Feel free to also use a little bowl or a plate, whatever you want. Getting all the different fruit in there. One more little scoop. And there you have it, fruit Ambrosia. And there you have it, Ambrosia salad. Thank you so much for coming along with me on this rainbow chef journey. Hopefully you enjoyed the little treat that we made today, and make sure to share this recipe with all your friends and family. If you like this video, go ahead and go down below and go subscribe and give this video a big like. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!